Moon, I don't want to disturb you, but you have a problem with your back.
What? What other problem? I've got nothing there.
No, your back is black. Haha. Wait, is there supposed to be something?
Nothing was to be. Bye.
Okay, bye. Hey, Earth, I think the moon is hiding something from you.
What? Funny. The moon is my satellite. I adore it.
He's definitely hiding something. Why don't you face it?
I've had enough. The moon looks at me 24 hours a day and doesn't turn away for a second.
Wait, I really don't know what the moon is on the backside. So what am I talking about?
The moon! Come here, we need to talk. Yeah? What's that about? Can you turn around? Not. Bye.
The Earth, look what I've got. Isn't that what you're talking about?
I knew it. I knew it. It's in a deep trouble. Wait. I'll explain everything in a minute. We just need to talk.
I'll leave you two alone.
So, speak up. No matter how hard I try, I can't turn around, not left, not right. You see, there's no way. I don't know what's there myself. By the way, can you show me a picture?
It turns out you weren't hiding it, but you didn't know. But then what are you afraid of?
Everyone likes me like this. But what if I ugly from behind? I felt like all the planets would stop talking to me. And you would give up on me as your satellite.
Come on, how are I going to give up on you? If our gravitational fields attract each other, and we can't live without it.
I mean, you don't deny that I'm ugly. I think I put food in your mouth. The moon, you need to calm down.